yours, you were mine, but it's time to say goodbye. Didn't know that the honeymoon's just a phase. Now I understand, I learned it firsthand.
Hey guys, Merry Christmas! Like, seriously speaking, today's Christmas. I can't really believe it. Like, I'm so excited. Like, it's Christmas, we're celebrating Christ. And if you are hearing the sound of back in my background, know that they shoot Baghdad in Nigeria. I don't know what it's called, whether Baghdad or Nakas. I don't know what it's called, but I just want to show you what really happened on Christmas Day. So, the first goal that you see over there was a ghost that my brother, my elder brother, that have a bush bar prepared. And this fowl you are seeing here, this chicken, is the one that me and my younger sister was preparing. So my village is close to my house. Like, the place I stay is close to my hometown. So I celebrated the Xmas in my family house, like my father's house. Not that I spend the food day there. It's past 7 now, and I'm back to my husband's house. I understand. So my sister was actually smiling face because she don't want her face to show in the background because she's thinking that the video is looking so local. So this is the chicken after removing the hairs from the body. So I was trying to process it. I'm just showing you guys the process of making it. I don't know. It was really a struggle. Like, it was really a struggle, but thank God that we succeeded. I first of all removed the first laps, the two laps on the chicken, and there's a particular place I want to show to you guys. I don't know how to process chicken, but this is not a detailed video on how to process chicken. But nevertheless, let's stop talking about how to process chicken. Let's tell what really happened in this Christmas. Christmas Day is like really a special day to me. I don't know. I take it so personal. Like, I there's this excitement that comes with it. Like, I'm celebrating my father's birthday. I'm celebrating Christ. Like, I'm thanking God for what He have done in my life. I read in the Bible, in the book of, is it not Luke? I understand when they were telling us story that when Jesus was giving birth, everyone was really rejoicing. I don't know. I feel that joy in me that yes, Christ have come to this world. Our Savior have come to save us from everything. So whenever we're celebrating Christmas, I don't feel scared. I don't feel, oh, what will happen after Christmas, because we are actually celebrating our Savior. Understand? And that's what really motivates me in Xmas. So I actually use one chicken, then use frozen chicken too. So the frozen chicken was a gift to my mom. So this green thing you're seeing in this chicken, if you don't remove it, it will spoil the taste of the chicken to make it to be bitter. So you have to be very careful while removing it. That is why I was specific showing it over here. Like, seriously, I don't know, Sha. Xmas Day is like cooking in the house, cooking for the family, then spend the rest of the day at home. Unfortunately, my husband is not even with me. Like, I'm back home. I'm just here with my baby. So we are just chilling, editing this YouTube video, which we don't even know if it's going up today or tomorrow. But anytime God says that you go up, it will go up anyway. So I was just really careful. I was really careful during this process because I don't want to ruin my effort. I don't want daddy to shout at me that, oh, for so long you don't even know how to process chicken, stuff like that. You know, I'm in my family's house and I don't want trouble. I don't want trouble, so I was really careful. Okay. So after removing it, I just put it aside. Those parts, I'm going to remove one of the gizzard out of it, and then throw the rest part away. So I just finished processing the rest one. So after that, I will throw this part away. This is not a detailed video, like I said. I don't really know how you guys were really celebrating your Xmas over there, but for me, I'm home. I'm at home. Like, seriously, after doing this whole work, I was really tired, like extremely tired. I wake up by 5 a.m. Today, that is on Christmas Day. I did my devotion. I didn't go to church. I'm sorry about that. My parents went to church, but I didn't go to church. I was trying to come back home early so that I can make food for Hobby. Unfortunately, Hobby was not even at home. I never know that he was not at home. I looked for he needs to get home as soon as possible, but fortunately, I spent 2 hours looking for a miss to get home. I could not see any miss to get home, so I decided to just make the food over there, pepper soup and some snacks to just go and give to him early in the morning by 10. So when I came back, we started contemplating, are we going to kill the chicken? Are we going to cook it? As in, just family planning. Then we end up, okay, we're going to start making this chicken. So after doing all this stuff, we finished cooking about 4 p.m. this evening. So I get back home by 5. I'm back home because somebody was really calling, he was starving, he was saying, where's my food, where's my food? So I tried to just rush down home to come and give him his food. After eating, he run and leave me at home to hang out with the guys. Happy truth, to hang out with the boys. I will look for a guest gang to be hanging out with too. So, but nevertheless, as a man of the house, so you have a choice. So the chicken, was surprised. Oh, look at how it come out. It come out so much, like so much. So we're just watching. Me and my sister, like, I don't know. This is the fun of Xmas in our house. What I'm doing right now is really fun. It's really fun. It may look so small, but it's special. Gift of life. Many people dream about this day. I remember last year I could not even afford to make food like this, but I thank God for this year. God is really faithful. I pray so hard that God should make this year to be different, that I don't want to experience what I experienced last year, and God was really faithful to me. God is a God that answers prayers. Like, I celebrated this Xmas like never before. It was so different, it was so special, it was so great. Like, this is an experience I've never really felt in my life before, and this is the first Xmas that I'm pregnant making food too. So it's really so special to me. It's really so special. I'm just going to make this video here. Time comes, I will be remembering the video and then come back to it. So like I said, the fun of Xmas is cooking to us. Okay, so enjoy the parts of the video and Merry Christmas to you all. I love you guys. Take care of yourself. Have a nice time and watch the rest part of the video. Let me know what you think. Okay,
I was yours, you were mine, but it's time to say goodbye. Didn't know that the honeymoon's just a phase. Now I understand, I learned it firsthand with you. Thought it would last forever. You should have loved me better. Should have loved me better, 'cause we might still be together before we split up. Always believed we would never. Till the afternoon, till the afternoon. That was when the moon started to become blue. Oh, so I surrendered, 'cause I couldn't see things getting better. No, in the afternoon, in the afternoon. Did what I could do, now you're in my review. Yeah, oh. Hasn't always been this wrong or this bad, but after some time I realized you and I were in the match. You should have loved me better. Should have loved me better, 'cause we might still be together before we split up. Always believe was when the moon started to become blue. Oh, so I surrendered, 'cause I couldn't see things getting better. No, in the afternoon, in the afternoon, in the afternoon, in the afternoon, did what I could do. Now you're in my rearview. Yeah. Ooh, no turning back. Don't know it wasn't all. Now it's time to say goodbye. Say goodbye. No turning back. Don't know it wasn't all. Now it's time to say goodbye. Say goodbye. No turning back. Though we know it wasn't all. Now it's time to say goodbye. Say goodbye. No turning back. You know it wasn't all that. Now it's time to say goodbye. Say goodbye. I was yours, you were mine, but it's time to say goodbye. Didn't know that the honeymoon's just a phase. Now I understand, I learned it firsthand with you. Thought it would last forever. Oh, you should have loved me better. Should have loved me better, 'cause we might still be together before we split up. Always believed we would never. Till the afternoon, till the afternoon. That was when the moon started to become blue. Oh, so I surrendered, 'cause I couldn't see things getting better. No, in the afternoon, in the afternoon, did what I could do. Now you're in my rearview. Yeah. Oh, hasn't always been this wrong or this bad, but after some time I realized you and I were in the match. You should have loved me better. Should have loved me better, 'cause we might still be together before we split up. Always believed we would never. Till the afternoon, till the afternoon. That was when the moon started to become blue. Oh, so I surrendered, 'cause I couldn't see things getting better. No, in the afternoon, in the afternoon,